I'm about to crash into one of you. Look how green this water just got.
Paunahin lang natin to. Sobra pala kami na isa, malaki pala yung isa doon. Hello, this is me.
What was your name?
Anyway, I'm Eric.
Eric?
Yes.
Nice to meet you,
And
Eric.
welcome to our beachfront, El Nido beachfront. This is the main shoreline in El Nido downtown. And your boat is that one, Cyril one. At the front of our boat, there's a big possibility have a little rocky. So that's why the boat can't get more closer.
Okay.
Yes, I guess.
Okay.
And yep, better to have flip-flops or the shoes. And the lady, she's the vendor of this shoes. And the mask. Yeah,
okay.
My shoes is also from here.
Okay. Yeah, I'll just take one, please. Thank you. We're about to walk out to the boat. Strap on your water shoes. This is what, I know they look goofy, but this is what you would need in Siargao. It's super rocky when you walk out to the waves in Siargao, but supposedly it's this way in some of these islands here. But we're about to walk out to the boat. They can't pull all the way up. So empty your pockets, put everything in a water bag. We're about to head out to that boat there. All right, thank you. See you later. Great weather for today. That's probably your biggest concern with doing this. It's really hit or miss with the weather. So you might book a tour and then it gets rained out, but they told me that if they have to turn back, it's refundable. That's what my company told me. All right, I'm gonna talk to you later. I've got to put all my bags above my head. It's gonna get deep.
Only the small boat can enter because they are more lighter than our boat. Our only option here is to swim or to walk, but the area is rocky.
This is incredible. You do this every day?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Every day, happy. Every day, wait.
And it's good weather today too.
Yes, a perfect weather.
Look how clear this water is, and you have coconut salesmen. I haven't even gone down here to the beach yet. I had to get my drone shots, but I'm happy. Downloading the files here. I just realized I had sunscreen all over my face in that last video. It's all right, probably still do. I probably got about 5 minutes before we're gonna leave. I've been filming this whole time. You need to swim a little bit. I don't think I have anything in my pockets. This first bit's the the deepest. Wow. This boat is literally 6 couples and me. So I'll be your tour guide today. Ow, I just hit my shin on a rock, so don't do that. We've got 4 other destinations after this. I'm here. Calamansi. This is a calamansi fruit. Now you want to avoid the coral if possible. You never want to step on coral. Oh, they're getting a ride. How'd they get a ride? That's nice. So maybe you can get a ride from a coconut vendor. They also sell beer, but it's like 10 in the morning, so we're not gonna do that. This is unbelievable. This is what you see when you hear of Philippines, when you see videos, pictures. This is what you're seeing. This is what they show you. Honestly, this is wow. I guarantee you, as soon as I get there, he's gonna blow the whistle for us to go back. My leg is probably bleeding. Look how clear this water is. Supposedly there's a secret lagoon. I don't know what that is or where that is. I don't know if I even have time to go in there. There's a hole.
Okay, sit down. Wow, nice.
Hello.
Oh, welcome to Secret Lagoon.
Secret lagoon. One in, one out, that hole. This is the secret lagoon. Very cool. It is murky though, like you said, you can't see in the water down there. So it's actually better outside. I could have just stayed out there. I'm just gonna leave now. I just wanted to come get this shot and see what was inside. As soon as I get the chance to leave, I'll go. But they do groups. They'll do a group coming in and a group leaving. So right now we have a group coming in. I'm going against the grain, but I don't want my boat to wait on me. So as soon as I can, I'm gonna go back out the hole. They're still coming in the hole. What were you reaching for, the camera? Or what, my hand? Oh, no, I'm good, I got it. Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you, sir. How are you today, sir?
What?
How are you today?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good.
How's the place?
This is incredible. This is beautiful.
This is your first time to visit here in Nido?
Yeah. Yeah, I live in the Philippines now, but this is the first time coming to Palawan. Nemo! Little Nemo!
Clownfish.
Yeah, he's small.
Yeah.
He's hiding in there. Oh yeah, there's two. Alright, Nemo, we found you.
Finding Nemo.
Finding Nemo. Where are you from? Which island?
Me?
Yeah.
Actually, I born and raised in Bataan, quite near from Manila.
Alright, that concludes the first stop. What's the next stop?
We don't know yet. I'll ask my partner.
Alright. We're going. We don't know where we're going. I'll see you there. This food looks really good. Hold on. We gotta go down here. How deep is this? As I was saying, this 12 o'clock, this is our lunch break. This island, I think you said, is a Japanese name. I don't know what they're doing. This food looks really good, and it's exactly the type of food that I eat. Fish, meat, vegetables, fruit. Looks really good. I just saw it. Let me show you. Oh, there's some more. Mazarap. Ooh. Shrimp. Pork.
Yeah.
Rice. Is that chicken? Yeah.
Yeah, grilled chicken.
Fish, pork, fruit. Mussels. This looks awesome. Oh, I'm hungry. Do I have yeah, I'm caked. This sunscreen, I'm just not rubbing it in. Been caking it on. This looks really good. Can't wait. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten today. Yeah, anyway, so he said that you're just gonna have to ignore my white face with the, the sunscreen. He said this is his favorite stop. Maybe because it's a lunch stop. I don't know. But the name of this island, he said it's a Japanese word that means clear water. I think. I don't know. I don't speak Japanese. Not a bad stop for lunch though. This is our lunch view. I'm happy. I'm happy because I'm happy with the drone shots I got here. But this is I mean, it's all photogenic, but this is incredible. This might be my favorite spot too. It's chill. It's incredible. You're surrounded by, look, there's one there. sea rock. More sea rocks. They're everywhere. Yeah, this is Tour A. This is why Tour A is the most popular. Tour C is also maybe the second most popular. Have your lunch, soak in the sights. I think I've got a ton of sunscreen on my face. Oh yeah, you gotta rub it in rigorously. Tour A, yeah. Ready? All right, thank you. Oh, we're taking a picture. We'll talk later.
Sorry, it's a grilled eggplant, grilled squid, garlic shrimp, steamed mussel, and for all the grilled with tomato, red onion, and some lemon, and soya. This one. And the fruits we have ananas, red watermelon, and banana. And the last but not the least, the Filipino power, rice. We have purified water, open Coca-Cola, open happiness. So please help yourself.
Next stop is Big Lagoon, right?
Yes.
Big Lagoon, kayaking. It's probably the most popular stop, right?
The highlights for today.
The highlight. All right. And the lunch was mazarap. Very good. We're headed off to stop number 3.
Parehas? Paunahin lang natin to. Sobra pala kami na isa, malaki pala yung isa doon.
All right. Let's paddle. Not your average Thursday. Honestly, everything is close. It was only probably less than 5-minute ride from our last stop where we had lunch, right over there. I'm gonna go that way. I'm gonna go inland. See what's going on over there. There's a hut on that beach. Everyone keeps trying to sell me beer and coconuts with rum in it, but I'm on the clock right now. I have to fly drones. Can't do that intoxicated. All right, I got distracted. I'm gonna go over there before I hit this boat. Hello, sorry. No, it's my fault. I came in your path. There you go. I set you down and I crashed. I have no idea what kind of angle you have when I set you down. It'd be great if I had someone to hold this while I paddled. I'd have much better shots for you, but what can you do? This is awesome. That green water. I think life jackets are mandatory. Does everybody have a life jacket on? Yeah, we've wandered astray. I quit paddling and started talking to you and filming, taking selfies. I'm gonna go back that way. Look how green this water just got. I didn't even know this was back here. Down there. Look how green this is. I'm honestly speechless right now. This is crazy. I don't know if I've ever seen this exact color of water. I can't believe I'm here. What's going on down there? This is a once in a lifetime experience. This is not every day you get to do this, really. Good, how are you? What do you mean inside? Down there? What's down there?
We have small caves.
There are caves? You have to come here. This is such a unique place. This might be the best tour I've ever done. Anywhere in the world. This is awesome. All right, I'm gonna go find this cave that he's talking about over here. Where's everybody? Does no one know about this cave? That's the cave.
Yes.
Is it one way in, one way out?
This is only the exit.
This is the exit. Found a secret cave here. Wait, I don't see it. That it? All right, I'm gonna have to set you down for this. That's not a cave. I'm so confused, man. Supposedly there's a secret cave around here somewhere in one of these rocks. I don't see a cave. What is he talking about? Do you see a cave? Oh, that's our whistle. Do you hear that whistle? All right, secret cave another day. I don't know if you heard that whistle, but that's our whistle. We've been here for an hour. I've got a long way to get back. I'm in the very back of this lagoon. All right, we gotta go. We'll find the secret cave another day. I don't see a cave. Oh, I think that's it right there. Okay, let's do the cave real quick. Secret cave is in here. I'll try to face this camera up, but that's not gonna work very well. Uh-oh, a rock. Ah! This is a tight squeeze. This is the, ooh, found the cave. Oh, I'm about to crash. Ah! Uh-oh, it's hard to film and drive simultaneously. You can hear the audio. This is a tight squeeze. I can't do both. Whoa. You see? Now I'm gonna crash. The secret cave is a two-man job. There we go. And we're gonna crash again. And that was the cave. Yeah, you can't, it's hard to film and be a one-man pilot in the secret cave. All right, I'm gonna turn you off. We succeeded. The goal for today was to find the secret cave. Now, I've got a long way to go all the way back out to get to the boat before they leave me. So we'll talk later. Sorry, I'm about to crash into one of you. I'll go right down the middle. This might be the best tour I've ever done. I have no idea which boat is mine. They all look the same. Found it. Bye.
So the swimming area is only inside the line. Don't go outside because a lot of boats coming.
Last stop, this place. Everyone's got beers, everyone's buying beers, waters, playing volleyball, snorkeling, relaxing. This is more of a chill beach. At the end of the day, I just want to buy a water. Let's go see if we got a store over here. I think we found it. Let's see, let's check the price. Oh, coconuts. Let's check the prices though. Macano, too big. 50? Okay, and how much for one beer? Okay, and how much for buko? Salamat. Do it. You have to do this tour. All right, here are a couple other videos from my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.